So I'm going to show you on how to reseal pretty much brand new Euro fog lights for a Mk3 Jetta. Now I got these about 2 weeks ago, had them in for about 2 weeks, and went through the big snowstorm with them. And this one here, this one here wasn't too bad. The other one developed serious moisture in it. There was a lot of water in it. The turn signal too. Now, I just brought this in from outside, just took it off the car. It's about 34 degrees outside, it's pretty cold. And I haven't, so I got these in the mail and I put them right on. Now, no tools, no nothing, just my hands. I haven't pried on it yet. I haven't touched it yet. I've been waiting for the video. So, yeah. This is my video to show you how the depot fog lights, smoked fog lights for Mk3 Jetta and long turns are made. Pretty shitty quality. Obviously I just pulled that off. The seal is I don't know what they used, but I use black RTV silicone from Permatex. I just did one about an hour ago, and it's got some goop sticking out of it, but it's a whole lot better than what it was. And this one will never fog up, develop moisture or anything.